Hello everyone, welcome. We are so pleased that you could join us here. Today we've got some really exciting projects and innovative solution announcements to share with you. COVID-19 has caused serious disruptions across the globe, bringing both humanity and business to their knees. Here at Ninestar, we have taken this crisis as an opportunity to innovate our products, business models, and solutions. Our goal is to ensure your business continuity in today's turbulent times. So today we are focusing on 3 products and solutions that I'm sure you will be inspired. Unismart for firmware upgrade, G&G Select, and Ninestar MPS Ecosystem. Okay, before our official launch, I'd like to remind everyone who is watching this live stream, we are giving away 10 Amazon e-gift cards. Each is worth $100. Make sure you watch till the end, find out 3 questions and answer them. Just leave your answer in the comments. We will announce winners in our social media accounts. Now let's get started with Unismart for firmware upgrade. Let's welcome Ivan Tian, the expert of Unismart, who has worked at Apex Mic for many years and gained rich experience. Welcome.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, partners and friends. How are you? I'm Ivan from Ninestar. Very glad to meet you here. Due to COVID situation this year, you cannot attend remake show as what you did in the past. Today, I would like to introduce you something new. I would like to begin my presentation with a true story. In May, I received a phone call from one of my old friends in Europe, saying desperately about the latest firmware update news he got from the website of original printer manufacturers. What should I do? I bought some cartridges at first in March. Then there is a firmware update. Then after reworking, next firmware update happened. Now I can see a new one is on the way. I really cannot collect cartridges with old chips all the time. And the time on transport and rework make it too difficult for me to do the business. The worst thing is I lost my customers because they think my product is not available and not reliable. My friend is not exaggerating. I believe if you are in this industry, you can feel the same as my friend did. Have a look at this diagram. The number of unreasonable firmware upgrades is climbing on average. See? By 2019, 51 firmware upgrades will affect aftermarket products. In other words, 4.25 upgrades happens every month last year. This number is terrible. It will kill your business. You may wonder, can these annoying firmware upgrades issues be totally solved or prevented in advance? Here comes the cruelest part. The answer is no. Taking a different perspective, the question is, in current situation, what else can we do to minimize the loss? At the end of a phone call, I told my friend to calm down and maybe he can wait for me for more details about a new weapon. Before I unveil the new revolutionary solution, I would like all of us to recall how an aftermarket cartridge gets updated after it was blocked by the newly updated firmware. Firstly, you need to wait for the new chips before you are reworking old cartridges, which takes at least 1 or 2 weeks. Then, during your rework, you need to unpack boxes and bags, identify the chip version, replace the old chip with a new one. Finally, you need to pack everything back again. The whole process is a nightmare for everyone in the industry. It takes time and money again and again to fix a problem. Now, I would like to introduce Ninestar's latest solution, Unismart for firmware upgrade. We can call it UFU. With Ninestar's UFU, all problems will get solved in a convenient way. So what is UFU? It is Ninestar's innovative and patented solution to manage firmware upgrades. This is how it works. Quite easy, right? Firstly, the package is specially designed, so Unismart devices can touch the cartridge chips without you opening the boxes. Secondly, no need to fight with your suppliers during the rush hours after new chips being available every time. Instead, you just need to connect Unismart to a Wi-Fi network and click OK to update. Then the Unismart in your office can update the old chips to the latest version. Thirdly, the thermal printer together with the Unismart can print a QR code sticker and can show the version of chips inside the cartridge box with camera scanning to better control your old stock. You must be interested in how much you can save. Let's have a look. For example, absent T288 ink set, you need 170 seconds to update the set if you choose old way. However, if you use UFU, you just need 22 seconds. That's 7.7 times faster. How amazing! HP W1105 toner cartridge, before it takes 180 seconds, while UFU takes only 32 seconds. That's 5.6 times faster. With UFU, you are leaving your competitors in the dust. In addition, we provide different cartridge holders to free the hands of the team from contacting and matching the chips during updating cartridges. Just put the cartridge box into the correct cartridge holders and do the chip updating. Problem solved. Furthermore, our R&D team is working on the automated machines, which can update the affected products automatically. A true hand-free solution. So stay tuned for smarter chip reset machines rolling out. Lastly, I'm proud to say this proprietary technology has been protected globally with 21 patents granted and 7 patents applications pending. This is Aftermarket's first ever innovative solution to manage originals firmware upgrades. A true solution to minimize your loss. So what are you waiting for? Contact us to make the switch, and we're looking forward to hear from you.
Thanks for Evan's introduction. Very informative and inspiring. With UFU, you can really get rid of stress from firmware upgrades. Okay, here comes the first question. Please have a look at the screen. You can write down your first answer on a piece of paper. Until you get all 3 answers, type them in the comment. Make sure you watch till the end, because the question originates from speaker's presentation. Next, let's welcome Jung Chen, G&G Global Branding Manager, to introduce the global rollout of G&G Select.
Greetings, dear friends. Welcome to the global rollout of G&G Select. My name is John Chen. Under the weight of the epidemic, 3 quarters of 2020 has passed behind. During this period, we learned about their business conditions from our global peers around the world in this industry. Business already at a loss. Although some companies have won several price wars, endless complaints caused by inferior products have caught them in shackles. The inventory is high, it is hard to escape. While some companies' financial reports may seem normal, but there hasn't been no growth for 3 to 5 years consecutively. The crisis is dormant. The pandemic has only accelerated the inevitable. If one wants to survive and develop under the current situation, unilateral efforts will not be enough. We need to work and change together. Without the support of manufacturers, local distributors are like a tree without roots. Without an efficient local network, manufacturers are beyond reach overseas. Manufacturers and local distributors need to co-innovate to meet the challenges. Therefore, Ninestar meticulously prepared the G&G Select program. The purpose is to provide answers to the above-mentioned problems and help our global partners to tide over difficulties. Select is a new sub-brand of G&G, behind which is the support of a Ninestar platform. As I mentioned above, to do a good job in the high-end market, it is not enough to have strong local forces alone. It is necessary to connect both the battlefront and home front, which means to combine strong manufacturing advantages with agile and efficient local distribution and service networks. With 20 years amassment of both the market and the technological understanding, Ninestar has integrated leading technologies in both the original and compatible industry. We are ready to share that with you. In addition, the high-end channel penetration experience obtained in China and beyond can also be shared with you. Select will facilitate a strategy different from usual to make sure our distributors have higher margins. We will work with you to customize policies sustainable to the practices of each targeted marketplace and case. We firmly believe that Ninestar is your best partner for high-end business development. The principle of Select's product selection is quality above quantity. This concept is based on G&G's 20 years accumulation of a product technology and understanding of users' needs. More high-quality raw materials are selected. Key components such as toners, OPC, rollers, blades, etc. are sourced from well-known suppliers that have long-term cooperations with OEMs. The main products of G&G Select use European and American V-cores, which means they are reused for the first time. Select's full range of products meet the requirement of the EU Roles and Reach directives and WEEE regulation, but did not stop there. A further application of EH&S standard deployed by OEMs has been carried out and verified successfully for G&G Select. In the aftermarket, currently, only Ninestar has the original background, which delivers a more accurate comprehension and effective implementation of this standard. With regard to quality control, the Select has strengthened inspection in SQE, IQC, IPQC, FQE, and other QC processes. With 11 procedures in all, it has zero tolerance for quality problems that may occur during the process. In addition, we also can conduct inspections by third-party agencies according to your needs. With raw material optimization and strict quality control, let us take a look at the actual performance comparison data between G&G Select and original products. We can see here the page yields of a G&G Select is conspicuously higher than that of the original. The color density and transfer rate are almost the same as the OEM, and the color gamut and brightness map basically coincide with the OEM. G&G Select not only caters to your requirements on quality performance, but also assurance. Here, please find the array of some of our certificates and compliance covering manufacturing process, product technology, environmental friendliness, and social accountability. We'd like to work with you in the future to expand this certification and compliance family as per your local market's demand. And this is our plan for the G&G Select product architecture. One of them includes standard use and increased use cartridges and copier cartridges. On the right, those are our innovative products such as jumbo cartridges, EcoSaver ink cartridges, and anti-firmware update series. In the center, our customized products for vertical industry users. As per the needs of your local market, we can develop corresponding products together to widen the assortment. Okay, now let's take a closer look how it looks. In terms of appearance, we have adopted a large area of deep blue. In addition to giving people a strong sense of business visually, it also demonstrates that we and our partners innovate together, leaving the troubled waters of price wars and heading for the blue ocean of high-end market. Its slogan, "Be selective," applied with gold stamping process, highlights the universal philosophy of not conforming to the crowd and pursuing quality constantly. At the same time, it also conveyed that on one hand, G&G pays stricter attention to product selection, and on the other, as an encouragement to our partners and us together to make our mutual business sustainable in the long run, we must choose channels and strategies particularly. Furthermore, G&G Select has upgraded the external box material with better appearance and texture. It is more convenient to unpack the box, and the packaging is tighter with a stronger resistance to damage during transportation. Dear friends, if you are panting under the pressure of 2020, if you want to break through the predicament and open up a new incremental scenario, choose Ninestar, choose G&G Select. Let us co-innovate and sail to the vast blue ocean. As to G&G Select, we have prepared far more than this. Contact our global business manager or send an email to info@ggimage.com. You will get to know an exciting profit model and a lot more details not disclosed in this presentation. And I heard some products are undergoing a half-price campaign. The deadline is 3 days later. So, what are you waiting for?
Thanks for Joe's impressive presentation. We believe G&G Select products will see more opportunities in global high-end channels. Now it's the time to our second question. So far, 2 of 3 questions have unveiled. Make sure you get the right answer for them. Watch till the end to find out the answer for the third question. Last but not least, welcome Eric Lee, the project manager of Ninestar MPS, to make an announcement of ecosystem of Ninestar MPS. Let's see how Ninestar MPS ecosystem can help your business growth. Welcome, Eric.
Today, we would like to live stream the latest innovation and strategies of Ninestar. Hope you will be inspired. I would like everyone to think about this problem before I start my presentation. Will MPS die? If more companies embrace telecommuting and remote working? Well, data shows home printing demands climb while pages from MPS channel have dropped more than 50% due to the influence of COVID-19. You can say MPS is dying, but our answer is no. On one hand, in the context of COVID-19, OEM have increased the development of small businesses, as well as contracted household users. On the other hand, the companies still have to pay for their staff's printing costs, no matter where staff locate. Thus, management of their staff's printing tasks definitely helps the company's sustainability, especially given situation in the current coronavirus. In other words, MPS won't die, but companies will look for MPS with more competitive edge to maintain their sustainability. So, my friend, do not miss the incremental potential lying in MPS sector. This is the ideal time to lay out and expand your MPS business. This is also why I'm here today, to introduce Ninestar MPS Ecosystem, that how it can help you to keep business growth. We all know that MPS business include 4 major modules: equipment, consumables, management software, and service, among which management software is the key that links all paths to be one. Through management software, our devices, consumables, and maintenance services are formed into an organic whole that can be continuously improved and expanded. Ninestar has the owner device management software we call NDMS. NDMS would be an ideal tool for customers who want to start MPS business. NDMS offers a low barrier for newcomers to entry when compared to other MPS software. We ask for no cost for NDMS, while our competitors may charge you at least $3,000 as onboarding fees. You are welcome to contact us to learn more. We will give 5 customers with 6 days free trial, first come, first served. Well, if we say management software is the command center of the entire MPS business, then each device it linked to is a soldier. Currently, we have 2 types of devices available. First of all, I would like to introduce Ninestar's G&G printer. It is one of the 33 ppm desktop monochrome laser printer series launched by Ninestar Group's G&G brand, which is also the first G&G desktop printer. Moreover, this device integrates various special function models such as fine printing, poster model, clone model, and mute model, etc., so to facilitate the users. Most importantly, in order to promote this machine in commercial office use, Ninestar has launched a rental sharing plan based on the idea of co-innovation, providing our distributors with the most cost-effective equipment rental service. In this solution, you can get a much higher return than selling comparable consumables, yet without spending a penny on equipment or consumables. The only thing you have to do is developing local customers, operational management, and maintenance. As mentioned earlier, G&G brand targets at small and medium-sized business and telecommuting household users. Our goal is to meet the printing needs of small printing occasions that are high efficiency, high quality, diversified yet economical. If you are interested, please contact your regional manager or drop an email directly to our info mailbox. We will introduce this plan to you in detail. Next, let's take a look at this big guy. This is what we can offer refurbished copier, we call MPC 3503. Looks like a new one, right? Actually, it is a remanufactured device, specially offered for copier rental market. Unlike the market second-hand copiers, we re-standardized the whole copiers. That means we not only have its exterior being reconditioned, interior cleaned, key vulnerable parts replaced and repaired, but also have the consumable components standardized and recycled, which allows the entire device to regain more than 90% of the performance of a brand new one. What's more, we will also provide various replacement units It takes maximum 10 minutes to complete the entire maintenance and replacement without interrupting the end users from using it. Since the maintenance time is reduced greatly, a maintenance personnel who may take care of 150 devices before now is capable of doing 200 or 300 devices. Obviously, it gives better payoff with less input. At the same time, we provide the same package of copiers leasing solutions to our partners to meet their products and service demand as G&G print package, range from low speed to high speed, monochrome to color. Our one-stop solution packages are economical, stable, and practical. In general, Ninestar copier solutions are focused on providing OEM-like product quality at a more economical price. In the context of declining print volume in global MPS channel, economic and cost saving will be the regular demand of customers. That's why Ninestar launched these products against the trend. Of course, we can provide print consumables suitable for MPS channel. For leather desktops, Ninestar makes every effort to develop jumbo products. Our jumbo cartridge lines cover from HP to Brother, Kyocera, and other brands. We're very confident to provide you with up to 60% extended yield cartridges, which is allow you to gain more competitive edges. For copiers, we have G&G Reborn and G&G TurboTech. G&G Reborn remanufactured cartridges for use in recall is available. G&G TurboTech technology brings better replacement toner bottles for Canon. You can enjoy this patented OEM equivalent that won't hurt your machine at a better price. Why not give it a try? Don't be surprised if I say business inkjet product is gradually taking on MPS world. I'm not lying. Due to the technical improvement and the cost advantages of inkjet business printer, it has gradually taken a share of MPS market. We believe it will become a major trend of OA in the future, but a blue ocean at the moment. Now we have a bunch of business inkjet products available for MPS. You are welcome to learn more. All in all, Ninestar has done a lot of work in MPS business and related products. We would like to be your faithful solution provider to help you achieve a better profit growth. We embrace change and keep innovate. Thanks.
Thank you, Eric. Thanks again for the above experts and their presentations. Now comes the third question. It is also the last question. Please have a look at the screen. As you got all the answers, enter your answer in the comment. If all your answers are right, congratulations! You have a great chance to win a $100 Amazon e-gift card. We will announce the winners in our social media accounts. The live stream today is coming to an end. Thanks again for joining us today. We hope you will find something valued and get inspired. Stay safe and have a nice day.